Welcome, dear ice cream lovers, to the exuberant world of the ice cream paradise recipe. Here, your taste buds are poised for a unique gastronomic journey that you've never experienced before. This isn't just another recipe, rather, it's a magical portal to a land of creamy, dreamy indulgence. A land that we've concocted with love, creativity, and a generous dollop of sweetness. Our ice cream paradise is not limited to a single type. No, it's a smorgasbord of heavenly ice cream varieties. This guide will walk you through the process of crafting decadent classics like velvety vanilla, charming chocolate, and strawberry surprise, but also take you on a ride through novel flavors like lavender lemon, honey roasted fig, and salted caramel pretzel. Imagine a place where every scoop you dig into brings an instant smile to your face and a burst of unimaginable flavors to your senses. This is what we aim to deliver, an ice cream paradise, where the epitome of joy is served in a crisp waffle cone. So, are you ready to embark on this exceptional journey of pure delight and happiness? Our ice cream recipe calls for specific ingredients, which are diligently chosen to create the ultimate flavor balance. For our rich, velvety chocolate ice cream, we require 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 2 cups heavy cream, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Blend these together until smooth and freeze for a decadently rich treat. For our refreshing, tangy fruit ice cream, gather 2 cups of your choice of fresh fruit, 1 cup of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 2 cups of heavy cream. Puree the fruit in the other ingredients, and freeze for a burst of natural fruit flavors. Each ingredient, whether it's the dark cocoa powder for our chocolate batch, or the fresh strawberries for our fruit ice cream, is chosen with love and passion, promising that every bite will be a sweet moment of pure joy. Still, it's not simply about the taste. In the haven of ice cream, the way you serve up matters significantly. We hold that single scoop must be an art piece, a delight to both the eyes and the taste buds. Let's discuss some tips to make your ice cream more appealing. Firstly, the dish or glass you serve your ice cream in. Choose something that complements the color and texture of your ice cream. Secondly, pay attention to the temperature. Ice cream should be served cold, but not too hard. This will make the texture creamier and more enjoyable. Thirdly, garnishings can bring out the flavor and beauty. From vivid sprinkles to intricate swirls, our creations are not only appetizing but also a feast to the eyes. Lastly, think about adding contrasts. If you have a rich and creamy ice cream, think about adding some crunchy bits on top or on the side. This will make every bite interesting and leave people wanting more. Remember, the presentation is as important as the flavor. Ready to make your own ice cream paradise right at home? All you need to do is follow these simple steps. First, gather your loved ones and put on your aprons. It's time to let the magic unfold. Step 1. Assemble all your ingredients. You'll need milk, sugar, vanilla extract, and plenty of your toppings. Step 2. Mix the ingredients in a bowl. Stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. Step 3. Pour the mixture into an ice cream maker. If you don't have one, no worries. You can also use a simple plastic container. Just make sure to stir the mixture every 30 minutes to prevent it from hardening. Step 4. Let it freeze. Usually takes about 2 hours, but the waiting is the hardest part. Step 5. Scoop and serve. Once the ice cream is ready, serve it up in bowls or cones, and enjoy your homemade dessert. So, are you ready to become the master of your own dessert destiny? Let's get started. As you begin to combine the ingredients, stirring them together and subsequently freezing them, a feeling of excitement begins to escalate. The scent of the concoction in progress, morphing into a delicious treat, wafts through the atmosphere, signaling that a remarkable event is on the horizon. And when that initial dollop graces your taste buds, you'll comprehend the reason why the journey of ice cream creation is indeed a voyage of pure joy. Encourage your creativity to soar. Experiment with unexpected flavors like lavender, sweet corn, or basil. Try new combinations like coconut and chili, or honey and thyme, and make your own one-of-a-kind creation. Imagine a sundae that combines matcha green tea ice cream with a sesame brittle topping, or a vanilla ice cream sprinkled with spicy candied bacon bits. The sky is the limit. Your ice cream wonderland is just waiting to be discovered, and the potential creations are as endless as your imagination. Savor the enchanting journey as you delve into each spoonful. letting the sweet symphony of flavors serenade your taste buds into a waltz of delight. The Ice Cream Paradise recipe unveils its magic, revealing a universe of joy in every scoop. Each taste is an exploration, a sweet exploration, that leads you to a world of gastronomic happiness. Are you ready to take a bite of paradise? Let's get started. And remember, you too can create your own piece of paradise. We encourage you to try making this ice cream yourself. Once you do, don't forget to share your delicious creations with us. We can't wait to see what you whip up.